casual attitude toward safety equals casualty. A close call reported today is the accident that does not happen tomorrow. A good attitude makes safety work for you. A harness is better than a hearse. A safer you is a safer me. A safety attitude is one that never hurts to take home with you. A spill, a slip, a hospital trip. A wound neglected may be a wound infected. Accident prevention, your number one intention. Accidents big or small, avoid them all. Accidents hurt, safety doesn't. Always look after number one, and if you need help just ask. Always think safety no matter what the task. Anger is one letter away from danger, drive gently. Are you part of the safety team? Together employees accomplish more. Arms work best when attached to the body. As temperatures rise, stay safety wise. At work, at home, let safety be known. At work, at play, let safety lead the way.